Now we're working on Dave's Subaru. He's detaching the battery here.
Yeah, standard. There's freaking back in the seat.
Anyway, he's replacing the seat. I mentioned it in the last episode, but his Subaru seat here, he has another one over there. You can see. I'm going to replace it. He says it's going to be easy.
Oh, there we go.
Just a little grime on there.
Yeah, just some grime or something. Put you there. Okay, done. Commence swearing mode. Gotta get back
he's
into
gonna get
there
back?
to get the connectors out.
So do we have to like unbolt it from the rail?
Yeah, basically the new one's got the rails with it. So
Does it?
yeah, we don't need that.
Oh, we have to remove it though. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, let's go remove these connectors.
Dave in one of his finest positions. A specialist in the art of tantric lovemaking, Dave here.
I don't know about that.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, you got the metal going through here, too. Holy moly. It is kind of blown out.
Yeah, yeah, basically the back collapsed and I didn't fix it fast enough. And
Doing some hardcore driving, Dave?
yeah. Needed a screwdriver for that last one.
He's doing something under here. What? I don't know.
This car has the heated seats. That one releases by pulling back on the black clip. This one, you can see, just you have to push it down. Same with this one, because the clip's like really tall on that. I need a screwdriver.
But this came off of what? The old seat?
Yeah, because when they take it from the scrapyard, rather than unplug these, they just chop the loom from the car.
So you're gonna have to wire it back together then?
No, the bottom of the seat has the other end of these plugs on.
Oh, I see. They cut it from the car.
Yeah, that's like part of the wiring.
From the car. I see. It's like, I gotcha. We can't be bothered.
Pretty much. Pass me that connector. I just want to look at the one that's giving me. The car not being full of crap. When you have children. There we go. Did I just fuck that bolt up by being sat on it while I was doing it? Probably, but. Don't lean on the seat, Ian, if you can.
I'm not.
Yeah. So should be a case of.
Is a Coke cap? Oh, you got one. Oh, wait, Dave. Wait. It's still connected to this thing.
Oh, yes, I remember now. There is a.
Do.
Should just be a case of.
Is it a clip or is it like a?
It's a to. Something to. There we are. Not quite. You'll be able to come around there and just hold the seat. I can do it. I know exactly what I'm always working on. That second set of hands.
No. How do you want me to hold it?
Just hold it the way I was. I'll put it towards you so it's in there. There we go. It's just.
Reese's peanut butter cup wrapping.
Yeah.
Coke cap. Good stuff.
There we go. It was just.
Take it out of the car. Put it somewhere over here. I don't know where this is going.
That's surprising when you're not in there.
We would hope not. Dead hookers or something?
Want to see what's wrong with this seat? We do this and this. This way. This clips in under there.
Oh, you could just use this again, huh? Maybe.
So, well, it's got the heated seat element, but you see, this is the bolster support, and these go into like the little holes back there, and because they've snapped, it's lost all the support at the back. And
how hard is it to get this off? You just use this old one. It's nicer than your.
No, because it's got holes in it. Look.
Oh, it's got holes. Right.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty warm. But what's happened is that happened. So and it's happened on both sides.
Does it have side airbags?
Yes, this does have an airbag on the side somewhere. Here it is. Somewhere.
You gotta be careful with that shit.
So there's where it. In fact, there's the side airbag. You see this rolled up stream that goes down here. And we'll cut that out because obviously you don't want to put that. That'll give someone a hell of a shock if it goes. But yeah, I mean, so yeah, there's your side airbag, and bottom half of the chair is good. I mean, so
set it off.
You can. We could do that. That'd be kind of fun, wouldn't it? I don't know how much it takes to set those off, but yeah, that's so it snapped there and there, which was what caused the issue.
Cool.
I think it was snapped when I got it.
Can you sell any of that stuff, or are you just gonna get rid of the chair?
I'm probably just gonna get rid of it, but I mean the bottom half's good.
Still has the motor and shit, right?
Yeah, it's not motorized.
Oh, it's not motorized?
No, I'm not fancy like that.
What? But it's got the rails. But anyway.
I mean, yeah, there is. You can rebuild these. I mean, you can buy the seat cover itself, I think. Because if you buy one without a heated seat, what you have to do is remove.
Right, I watched that episode of B is for Build.
Yeah, and then you can just take this piece, which is the heated element, and the seat's just held on by sticky tape. And then you can just buy. It was cheaper to buy a new seat than it was to replace this foam bit and then replace this, because that's where it's meant to attach. There's two. There's another one up there. It's meant to attach to the frame there and there. And there's me repairing it.
Oh, nice.
Ties the first time.
Nice.
But yeah. And that was actually my second go, hence why there's like 3 or 4 zip ties there.
It said, fuck it, gonna get a new seat.
It really is just. We'll go through it. We'll pull this airbag out because I really don't want that. But now the new one should just look the.
Should be easier going in, right?
Look the same.
You certainly hope so.
And It's lower mile from the one at the faces. However, it's easier to put these in from the back or the front, having never done it.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't know.
So the rails are all the way out. That's part of the problem.
But you're caught on this. Wait. Okay, there you go. There you go.
Do it this way. Yeah. Oh. There we go. It's in.
Done.
Done. Lock her up. She's done.
Wait, can you plug it in now? Or no? Could you plug all that shit in now?
This bit, no, I'll plug it in when I'm
under it.
They're easier to plug in than the outer one.
Do.
Okay. And now let's just get this somewhat
Whoa.
in position.
Whoa. Yeah.
There we go. Just wanna
That's basically it, gentlemen. Ladies
yeah,
and
that's
gentlemen.
it. Find it down then.
And there you go. Dave has replaced his seat. It was that easy.
Yeah. How long?
I don't know. Half hour. 45 minutes. Boom.
Well,
Now you can drive your car away.
let me just sit in it.
Look at that. Oh, what is it? It feels it's
Oh yeah. It actually feels.
like supportive.
Oh yeah. That's.
There you go.
That makes me a very happy camper.